Do you find English sentence order confusing? Want to master it quickly and sound fluent? Today, we'll tackle sentence structure step by step in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Here's the challenge. You'll see sentences where the words are out of order. Your job is to put them back in place. Let's start with this one. First, find the subject, who the sentence is about. In this case, it's she. Next, look for the action, the verb, reads. Then, add the object, a chapter of her book, and place the time marker, every day, at the end. So, the answer is, she reads a chapter of her book every day. Easy, right? Now it's your turn. They visit their grandparents once a week. He goes jogging in the park on weekends. She meditates for 10 minutes each morning. I usually watch a documentary in the evenings. He meets his friends for dinner every Friday. We swim in the lake during the summer. She wears her yellow raincoat whenever it rains. They rarely eat junk food. She sometimes leaves her keys at home. He often plays the piano after work. They go to the movies together once in a blue moon. She practices yoga every other day. Flowers bloom beautifully in the spring. He heads to the gym as soon as he finishes work. He normally leaves the house by 8 a.m. I read a few pages of my novel at night. They hold a team meeting every 3 months. We travel to a new country each year. She chooses a salad for lunch most of the time. He takes a day off from work once in a while. She goes for a short walk before breakfast. They take public transport whenever possible. I write a paragraph in my journal daily. She revisits her favorite book from time to time. They support local charities all year round. He usually drinks a glass of water before meals. She takes an online course every now and then. We dine at a fancy restaurant on special occasions. She teaches math at the local school. The phone buzzes whenever I get a new message. With practice, you'll master sentence order and sound more fluent. If you enjoyed this practice, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips like these.